Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Solana from Binance to Trust Wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this guide will keep things simple, secure, and up to date so you can move your assets without any hassle. Whether you're a beginner just dipping your toes into the crypto world or an experienced trader, this step-by-step walkthrough will have you set in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Trust Wallet, and that you have some Solana in your Binance wallet. Always double-check that you're using the latest app versions for 2025 to avoid any compatibility issues. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Binance app or website and log in securely. Head over to the Wallet section, then select Spot Wallet, or Fiat and Spot, depending on your interface. This is where you'll manage your cryptocurrencies. Step 2. Once in your wallet, find and click on Withdraw. You'll see a list of assets. Search for Solana, SOL, and select it. Binance might prompt you to choose the network. Make sure it's set to Solana, SOL, to match your Trust Wallet. Step 3. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember, there's usually a minimum withdrawal amount and network fees, so check those details to avoid surprises. Now, switch to your Trust Wallet app. Open it, go to your Solana wallet, and tap on Receive to get your unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Step 4. Back on Binance, paste the Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're confident, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. Step 5. After confirmation, Binance will process the withdrawal. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet for the incoming transaction. A quick word of caution: always verify wallet addresses to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean permanent loss. Also, in 2025, be aware of any new regulations or updates to Binance's policies that might affect transfers. And there you have it. Your Solana is now safely in Trust Wallet. This method keeps your assets decentralized and under your control. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.